guys, hope everyone's okay. Today we're just going to make a basic tomato base for our pizzas. It's really straightforward. In the past I've just used cheap chopped tomatoes and just spooned them straight into the pizza, which has been fine. Over time I've altered it slightly, which is what we're going to do now. Again, I'm not going out buying fine ripened tomatoes. These are bog standard, cheap as you like, chopped tomatoes, 1 tin. To that I'm adding 1.5 teaspoons of sugar. From there, roughly, no exact measurements, about half a tube of tomato puree. Probably a teaspoon of basil in there. I also have this Italian herb stuff. I like to put that in to get a mix in there. Some nice flavour to it. And the one thing that I haven't put out on the worktop, which I'll grab quickly, salt, which is probably about a teaspoon's worth of salt. Again, you can do that to flavour to how you like it to taste, and just go in and mix that together. Doesn't take long at all. Making sure everything in there is mixed up. As simple as that, and that is a very basic flavoursome sauce to go on your pizzas. Let's have a little try. Very tasty. Thanks guys. If you like that quick video, please like, share and subscribe. See you next time.